welcome to Service Slimline. Today I've got this brand new inbox Vytronix 4-in-1 wet and dry vacuum carpet washer, extractor, blower machine. I'm going to unbox it for you. It's model MFW1600. Let's get into it. So, I've got my cup of coffee, quick teas, and I'm going to show you what's inside. First things first, I need to get into it somehow. Right, let's show the rest. So here we have the main box, 4-in-1 design, vacuum, suck up spills, wash carpets, blower function. Vytronix MFW1600, wet and dry vacuum, carpet washer and blower. As far as I know, I think it's just a generic cheapo sort of thing, rebadged as a load of other appliances. I know there was one called Ovation. I'm not sure about anything else, but as far as I know, this is the same as that. So here's what it looks like. Box contains wet and dry carpet washer, solution tank, main hose, solution tube, aluminium extension tubes, vacuum floor head, wet use wash head, 2-in-1 crevice tool, dust bag, washable HEPA filter and carpet shampoo, 500 millilitres of that. And the rest of the box. So I'm going to open the box up now. So what have we got? Caps to cover the end, the extension tubes in the bin. We have the solution, Vytronix own, by the look of it. Carpet Fresh Classic, never seen this before, so. Okay, directions for use, I'll have a look at them another day. We have one dust bag. I will have a look and see if a pneumatic bag can fit one of these. If it can, I'll use it. If not, I'll have to go online. The whole point of me buying this was just for a carpet washer, so I probably won't be using it much as a vac anyway. So we have the instructions here. Don't know if it's in colour, no. So, all nice, pretty clear, black and white images. Got everything on there, not important right now. We have a hose here. Take that off. So we have the main hose with the solution tube already attached. As far as I know, oh no, it does look like it comes off with tabs. Push them in and it should open up and unclip. So this would be the machine end, which by the look of it twists, pushes and twists in. Solution end for the machine. And then this end we have the trigger. Seems pretty solid actually. It looks like it might be alright. Doesn't have a, oh no, it does have a suction relief. And then the other end of the solution tube. So next we've got some solution tube, some suction tubes. The solution portion integrated into it, which is very nice. No chance of that breaking, hopefully. And we've got another one. It's just the same. It's a friction fitting. I think that's what you call them anyway. So, just to push that into there. Just locates and pushes in. Nice. Next we have, this is the wash head. Nice set of bristles on there. They're not too soft, so it should actually do something. Solution tube runs all the way down to the back of the head here. Nice clear head, so you can see what's coming out of it, out of the carpets and upholstery. This is the vacuum head. So we've got a rugs and a hard floor sittings. It's the same as any old machine really. So it actually lowers a squeegee as well on the hard floor setting. Not as stiff as a pneumatic, these brushes, but fairly good nonetheless for a cheap machine, which I believe I paid about £70 for. Rubbish. Next, I think, is just, oh no, we've got a 2-in-1 crevice tool. Same as what you'd see on pretty much anything nowadays, I think. On these flip out things. And I think now should be just the cleaner left. I think it's in the box. And there she is. Take you for a closer look. So here we have it, nicely finished in a quite a deep purple and a nice sort of gunmetal grey. Got the solution tank here, which should just pull away, I hope. Might be a bit stiff. There we go. Pull the tank down, it should lift up. It's fairly, it's actually slightly bigger than I was expecting. Nice easy opening for the solution to enter. Also have a little air relief, I believe, for whatever reason. I have no idea. I don't really know a lot about carpet washers. It was just a sort of impulse buy. So we've got a cap here with a filter in it for the blow function or for exhaust air by the looks of it. And around the front, how do we, two pull handles, one either side, pull them up and then what comes off, motor unit, quite a large bin, but what concerns me is how low the max fill line is. Why make it that big and have the max fill line all the way down there? So that's that. Main unit here. That'll be for the solution, I believe. Mains on off. Nice and solid push button there. Actually feels very solid for what it is. There's the solution on and off. Showing you this side. It does feel very solid for what it is. Maybe not so much these clips, but time will tell. So I believe this should twist off. I haven't even looked at the instructions properly yet. So close, open. I'm taking the bottom half of the filter, it's just a cap. So I believe that comes off like there. We have a pleated filter. We have a sponge type filter covering the, I believe that comes off, covering the float ball thing which is in there floating around. I'm not entirely sure how you take this off. I will have a look at that in the future. And then we've got the motor unit, as I've shown you, nice and simple. So I'll put it back together and I will plug it in and see how loud it is. So the motor unit and the bag are in, motor unit's on. I'm just going to fit the hose. Like I said, it looks like it's a push and twist. So if I was to is it going that way or is it another way? Is it the other way? That's it. And this would go in like that. Looks like it's just a push fit. Oh no, there is a close and open. Not paying attention. Push and twist. I do wonder if there is a... I will have to look at the instructions because I'd like to know if there's a lockable trigger. It doesn't look like it's lockable. It may well be. I may have not seen it yet. So let's get the solution tank back on. I've just realised I've forgotten that. It's alright. And we need the hoses. Oops. Hose. So this will go that way around. One and that clip. I presume that it doesn't matter which way I'll put them on. There's one. The second one, which just fits on as I showed you. And we want the ball head, which again is just a friction fit, same as any old vacuum cleaner by the look of it. So plug it in and we'll see how it goes. So here we are, it's all set up. The machine's got a very, very long lead. It's not particularly thick, but it is only cheap. Just going to run it over this section of the carpet and see how we go. So hopefully you would have seen me show the suction there. It did actually raise the carpet. I will just lower you down and show you again. So here we go. So there it is. It's got pretty good powerful suction by the looks of it, and it doesn't seem to be particularly noisy, which I'm very pleased about. So yeah, that pretty much wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. So there we have it. Quite a nice machine overall for the price. Like I said, I think it was £69 with something like £5 for postage, so call it £75. So it wasn't too bad for what it is. I will be doing a it won't be a 4-part demo, but it'll be all 4 functions of the machine in the same demonstration video. That'll be coming up in the future at some point. One thing I have noticed is it doesn't have a parking bracket for the floor head. I mean, it doesn't bother me all that much, but it would be nice if you're using it to be able to park the floor head. I mean, it may do. I may not have noticed, but I'll sit down and study the instructions now. Yeah, that's it for this video. So if you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to Service Slimline, and I'll see you in a future video. Bye.